Hey there, tech nerds. From the descriptions, you might have figured out this video is about Gemini-AI. Well, not exactly Gemini, it's more about a Telegram bot. Meet the Gemini Telegram bot, your new best friend for chatting, translating, and more. Totally open source and code is available in GitHub. Link will be also in the description. Written with JavaScript and can be easily deployed in Docker. Pretty cool, right? So, how do we use that bot? First things first, let's fire up this kit. Currently, it's available on our public group for free. Link is available on GitHub. There, let's kick things off with the start command. Just type // or /start and hit send. See, instant answers. And now it's up to you to chat with it. And next, let's test its translating skills. Let's go with hello, how are you in English and type /translate as a reply of that text. It will translate into Bangla cause it is set in the configuration file, but you can change that as well. Perhaps you want to develop with us. For now you have to manually deploy. To start, clone this repository. You will find a sample environment file. Clone it into .env, fill up the environment variables and just use the docker compose command. It's listed on the GitHub page. That's all. For starters, this chat box can only reply to messages in specific groups as defined in the allowed groups variable in your environment variable. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and happy chatting with Gemini.